Hey guys, just finished sharpening up this Southern Grind Spider Monkey S35VN black blade. Did our mirrored edge utility. It's not coming up too well on the camera right now, but there you go. You can see the reflections there. Unfortunately, lighting right now is horrible, but what we're gonna do is do a cut test and see how well we did. So, plain notebook paper. So she's sharp, and we'll do photos better. There we go. Now you can see the reflection. So nice mirrored edge. It's what we call mirrored edge utility. We didn't go as far as removing every single honing scratch, but it is still mirrored and pretty bright, reflective, and she's sharp.